Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you a music lover looking to set up your personal music streaming server? Today, I'll show you how to install Navidrome, a lightweight, self-hosted music streaming server using Docker on Ubuntu 24.04. Let's get started. First, let's ensure your system is up to date. Open a terminal and run this command. Before you continue with the installation, ensure you have Docker installed on your system. You can check using this command. If it says active, then Docker is installed. But if you don't have it, just check the video in the description on how to install Docker on Ubuntu. Now let's create a directory where Navidrome's files will be stored. Then switch to the same directory. Next, create a Docker Compose file for Navidrome. This file will define the services, volumes, ports, and so on, telling Docker Compose what to do and how to set up our Navidrome instance. Replace path to your music with the path to your music library. Save and exit the file by pressing Ctrl+O, then Ctrl+X. As you can see above, I just created a music directory inside the Navidrome folder. Now start the Navidrome container using Docker Compose. This command will download the Navidrome image and start the container in detached mode. Once the container is running, open your web browser and go to your server's IP address or localhost if it is installed locally, then add port 4533. You'll see the Navidrome login page. When accessing Navidrome for the first time, you'll be prompted to create an admin account, fill in the username and password fields and click Create Admin. And do not have any music in my music folder. If you have music in your folder, it will show here automatically. Let me create an MP3 file just for demonstration. As you can see, it is empty. You can restart the machine or restart the Docker container, and the music file will show up in the browser. Now you can add your music folder and start streaming. Navidrome automatically scans the directory you specified for music files. And that's it. You've successfully installed Navidrome on Ubuntu 24.04 or 22.04 using Docker. Enjoy your personal music streaming server. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.